Hi, I'm Lindy from Australia's Best Recipes.
Let's make this delicious ginger beer boiled fruitcake. Place 1 kilo of mixed dried fruit into a saucepan. Add 250 grams of butter, 1 cup of caster sugar, and 1.5 cups of ginger beer. Bring to the boil, stirring until the butter has melted and the sugar has dissolved. Then set aside to cool. Add 4 eggs and stir through. Then fold through 2 cups of self-raising flour. Line a 20cm spring-form cake tin with 2 layers of baking paper and pour the mixture into the tin. It's important to line your tin well to get the perfect fruitcake because this layer of paper creates a seal that keeps the cake moist until you're ready to eat it. Bake at 140 degrees for 2.5 hours or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Fruitcakes take time to develop flavor, so once your cake is completely cooled, place it in a well-sealed container and store it in a dark, cool and dry place.
For more from our community of home cooks, visit bestrecipes.com.au.